Satu, dua, tiga, mulai.
Hello friends, today we are watching. What do we watch? But I don't know how to do this. Can you please? It looks more brighter.
What are you going to watch? What are you going to watch?
I'm so confused. I'm confused.
What are you going to watch?
Let me spell it.
Okay, you can spell it by yourself.
Where is it? This one?
Yeah. No.
Yeah,
Here,
this one.
over here.
Oh.
Okay, over here. Just write it down. What are you going to watch?
That's what Inquisitor was.
What are you going to watch? Song or film? What are you going to watch? Song or film? Movie or song?
Movie?
Cartoon?
Movie.
Okay, just
Oh
type
wait,
there.
Schoolmaster.
Okay, just typing there. School S already. Now C.
C, where's C? Oh, here.
Okay. Age. Double O. L. L. Only one L.
We have a mind.
Here, erase. Okay, one.
Yes.
School what?
Master. Oh, I already know Master. Is it? No.
School monster. Okay. Already?
Wait.
Already. Look at here.
Monster.
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
look at here.
I know.
Okay. Enter.
And there.
Okay. Wait for a moment. You will see it. Wait for a moment. Oh, I think it's not. Okay. I think it is not. Wait for a moment.
It's like I'm detached.
Okay. We'll copy it first. Later.
No.
No. Later you are going to see it.
Monster.
This one. Okay. Before it's not YouTube, but this is YouTube. No. Okay.
I
will
can
copy
see
paste.
your hair.
Okay, I will copy paste here. Okay. Okay. Enter. Okay, which one are you going to watch?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, which one are you going to watch?
Let me just go down. Hey. Oh, there
Okay.
you go.
Which one are you going to watch? Are you common with this movie?
Oh.
Do you always watch this?
Always.
Always.
Sometimes.
Or sometimes.
Oh, this one is so sad.
Which one?
This one is so sad.
Okay. A suicide. Do you want to watch it?
Fine.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I want this one. Good luck myself. Okay, this is so uncomfortable. Can I please stand up?
No, it's so hard to see to get by the camera.
But
which one?
I told
You haven't choose. You haven't choose yet.
I already chose last time.
No.
Okay, here.
Choose one.
Here.
Yeah, just choose. No, not there, but this.
Okay.
In the video. Okay.
Okay. Oh, come on! Not ads. Okay, let's
Not
see.
this. What's the one? Oh, this is on the advertisement.
Can I please? This is too loud.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
Okay, already.
Too loud.
Can you tell? Oh, too loud. The speaker
Too
you
loud.
need.
Yeah.
Too loud the speaker.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the video talk about?
Today we are watching Monsters Go. Slime Boy. Okay, your turn, Slime Boy.
Which one? Slime Boys.
This is Slime Boy.
Oh, this is Slime Boys.
Oh, jeez. Oh, oh. When I will see you, I will be like that.
Okay.
Can you put that down?
Yeah, if you want. Are they students?
Oh, geez. No, no. This is not happening. Please, no. Please, no.
Who are they? Who are they?
Stupid, really. Slime girl.
Slime girl. Which one? Slime girl.
That one. Okay, you
Oh,
don't.
that one.
Oh. I really like that. Good job. Good for you.
The slime girl. What did he get?
Emerald.
Emerald. Oh, I see.
Oh.
What is the emerald function? What is it for?
Is
Oh, has friends to go out from the class?
it's a money.
Oh, I see. It's money.
I really like this animation. Oh, oh, so cute.
Viewers the camera.
Oh. You better watch out. Oh. You better watch out. Okay. Creeper boy.
Who is
Yeah.
Creeper boy?
That one.
That
Don't have
one.
any
Oh,
arm.
is he kind boy? Bad boy? Good boy or bad boy?
She's the same.
All the same. The same with one.
The same.
The same.
Well, she's not expecting that.
So this is the slime boy.
No, this is not a slime boy.
Oh,
This is a skeleton boy.
skeleton boy. Which one? Skeleton boy.
Oh. Okay, this.
It is skeleton boy. Oh, I see. What happened to him? Oh, he's died.
That guy is a stupidity.
Oh, I see.
Oh, come on. What is this?
It's advertisement.
Come on.
Wait for a
this
moment. Wait for a moment.
ad. Okay, skip ads,
Okay,
please.
okay.
Please. Please, can I skip ads?
Okay.
Please.
skip it.
They look like a-
Who are they?
They're stupidly. I don't know.
Oh, who kick? Is he teacher?
Yeah, that's the teacher.
Oh, I see.
Ooh.
Oh, he point Creeper girl.
Yeah.
Oh, to this.
Girl time.
What's this name?
That's the spinning.
Spinning. Oh, I see.
Spin. Spin. Good for you,
What
girl.
did Creepy girl get? TV?
Let's see.
What did he get?
A TV, of
Oh,
course.
TV, of course. Oh, I see.
Oh.
Oh, the TV is broken. Oh, he got TV, but the TV is broken.
Yep.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Oh, so sad. How come what's this?
Zombie boy.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, that's one.
But there's also a zombie little boy.
Oh, I see. What did he get?
A potion.
Poisoned. Oh. Should he drink the poison?
No.
Oh,
Potion, not drink it.
no, it is drink. He drink the poison.
Well, I didn't know.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Yo.
Oh, the teacher is dead.
She's not dead yet.
Oh, not dead yet. Oh, yeah, he doesn't dead yet. Yeah, of course, he's a teacher.
Oh no.
He should guide the students.
She turned into a girl! Oh, girl time. Ew. 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 This is gonna be girl. Ew. Ew! Oh. Oh, that hurt.
Advertisement again.
Fortnite.
Yeah, just skip the
Oh,
end.
here it is. Let me skip this, please.
No.
Oh.
Nah, there.
I was trying to skip it. water. You. How can you be alive? No way. Is there a lot?
Who shoot them?
Yep.
Who is he?
That's gas.
The name?
That's gas.
That's Gas.
Boy gas. Gas boy.
Gas boy.
Look. Zombie baby.
Zombie baby. Which
Oh,
one?
so
Oh, that one.
that one. That's Tarato. Oh, wait.
What did he get?
HS.
HS. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
What did Richard clap his hand?
Yeah.
Why? Because he got.
He get good luck.
Ah. Is it gold? No.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's cool.
gold. Oh, I see. Box of gold.
Yeah.
Ah, I see.
Oh.
Who brought it? Who is he?
She's zombie pig.
Oh, zombie pig.
I can't believe that zombie pig is turned into a girl. Oh, she's going.
Where?
Never. She's going too fast, that's all. Go. Oh, don't be mad.
Who is mad just now? Who is he?
Only one, okay? Only one.
It's okay, but you have to get closer. This is the
Only one.
no. You have to get closer. This is the
But this
microphone.
is even those.
No, this is the microphone. You have to speak here.
Then
I'm
gonna do
if you want, the right one use, and you can leave it. You can leave this one, but you have to use this one because this is the microphone.
Okay.
You can take off one.
Ew, that's so
Okay.
gross.
This is the microphone.
Yourself.
Ah,
Oh my goodness.
it's okay.
So gross. It's yourself. Guys, I'm
Yep. So you have 3 minutes left. You have 3 minutes left.
3 minutes left.
Yeah. Until 15. Now it's 12. You have 3 minutes left.
Oh, so gross. Oh wait. Let's skip this. This is so gross. Nope. Nope. Please no. I need to skip this. This is so gross.
Why did he skip it?
This gross.
Oh.
This is excellent.
Oh, this is the ghost. Are you sure? But this is the medical
Disgusting.
person. Oh, disgusting.
It's disgusting.
Okay, you will skip it.
Let's go up. Can you please?
No, this one. If you want to skip, you just use this one. Ah.
That's not what I was wanting. Now the music is gone. Great.
Okay, no. Wait a moment. After skip, you have to replay here. Okay.
Okay, I hate this ad so much. Can you please get...
Who is he?
Ew!
Who is she? Pink girls?
No.
No, what is name? You forgot about? 1 minute left.
Skeleton boy, okay.
Okay. 1 minute left.
I mean, skeleton.
Who is he? Who is he now?
She's Wither, my favorite character.
Who? Your favorite
Wither.
character? Weezer.
Wither.
Weezer.
Wither.
Weezer.
Oh my god. Wither.
Zer.
Wither.
Weasel.
Oh my goodness.
What did he get?
She got empty.
Empty?
She got empty
Oh,
box.
there is nothing in the box. Oh, I see. Okay, time is over.
Let's just skip.
10 seconds left.
10.
10 seconds left.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.